Hey guys, Jay Hughes here, the Oak Trading Mastermind, and we're of course the home of the $250 into a $100,000 income business plan. In this video, I want to give you a brief overview on how we share the cost of building wealth through trading and investing. And we do this with other people's knowledge, expertise, and effort. What we mean by that, guys, we are not purists. We actually believe in utilizing successful systems, traders, and also trading signals. Before we get started, make sure you read over this. You may need to pause just for a second if you don't get it. All right, let's get back to it. The Oak Trading Mastermind. Of course, our goal is to build a profitable trading business. I didn't say be a trader, but trading business with trading systems, signals, and copy services. If you've seen a couple of the other videos, I always utilize this, and I would say that it's kind of unrealistic, but it really depends on how much discipline you have. This is turning 250 bucks, 10.5% a month. After 5 years, that can yield you up to $10,000 a month. This is not a $10,000 balance. This is $10,000 a month because you have like a $100,000 balance at that time. Now, I've learned a lot of lessons, and I know why people absolutely hate signal providers, signal service providers, systems, and things of that nature. Number one, I learned that most trading services are not successful. So, and I just use an arbitrary number, and I would say that still 95% or more of them is bullshit. The second thing I learned that the cost of sourcing, testing, and trying to find the 5% that will work can be expensive, because you can take a look at trading services that may work and they may yield you anywhere between 5 to 10% a month, but guys, they cost anywhere between, if you utilize them properly, they cost anywhere between $100 to $800 a month. And if you have a $2,000 balance, I don't think that's cost effective, and it may not be good business. Third thing is the cost of diversifying systems. I'm not married to one system. If one system fails to continue working, I want to replace it with another. It's that simple. So even execution can be expensive. I had to hire someone to trade the London session when I was trading Forex. But a little bit more about that. Now remember, we're not married to any vehicle. It can be stocks, options, Forex. Stocks, options, futures, Forex, or crypto. So you have to be prepared pretty much for anything. Those are the lessons learned. But when we created our trading mastermind group, we're pretty much a cooperative of like-minded people who want to go in the same direction, and we want to pool our resources to find stuff that works. So our mastermind will allow our traders, our members, to test and trade several systems at a fraction of the cost of going it alone. That's common sense, right? If we know that if we put $200 into a system collectively with a small membership fee, we'll know after a month or two if it's working or not, if it's something that's applicable to what our goals are. Remember, we're looking at 10% a month. When it comes to active trading, some people are earning up to 20%. When it comes to passive investing, people are happy with 2% a month or less, and less. That's 24%. Wow, that's 24% a month. So, I mean a year. So scratch that. As a mastermind, we gain access to profitable, I should have put profitable here, signal services and trade copiers at a lower negotiated cost, anywhere between 60 to 80% less than going it alone. So if we can't create the signals in-house, guys, we will negotiate a group price with the trader or the signal provider. It's just that simple. And of course, it gives you the opportunity to create a personal diversified hedge fund focusing on Forex, stocks, options, and crypto. That depends on how quickly your your balance or your account is growing. Let me give you a quick example. This is our artificial intelligence or machine learning stock trader. He uses at least 5 different resources, and here's 3 of them right here. iknowfirst.com, you can check them out. FinBrain Tech and Live Trade Pro. I know that only because I know him, and he has 2 proprietary things that he uses as well. Collectively, it's around $800 that he puts into creating in-house signals. Now, his results, so far so good. Even with me manually back testing this, he's done pretty well. Each trade is anywhere between 5 to 20% gain, at least the winning trades, and there are losing trades, and you can see that in some of the other videos. And the holding time is anywhere between 2 to 30 days. And he focuses on penny stocks and small cap stock. Now, here's the cool thing about this, guys. With the advent of like commission-free brokers, Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, all of those is so cool because our targets are always percentage-wise. So even if you have 250, you can split that 250 into five $50 trades if you want. So it's really cool, but the thing that's mostly important with that, when you have only $250, it's going to be money management. And again, his daily signals are posted to our members area, which is pretty cool. Our Forex trader, we only have a couple right now, as I say, but this is our FX gold trader. He is absolutely focused and obsessed with gold. Now, with this one, it is a Forex trading system, and he only provides signals through copy service. If you don't understand what trade copy services are, he generally charges $350 to copy his service, but we have a negotiated price depending on how many people want to follow his. Now, here's the down draw. The down draw is it is an offshore broker. So we know the risk of that. If you don't know, maybe you shouldn't even be considering working with the Oak-Key Mastermind. And that being said, that's why membership is not for everyone, guys. Just trust me on that. And I'm sure that everyone has this one-page business plan and what we're trying to accomplish. And but you need to know, if nothing else, you need to know or learn the basics. I just want to make this pretty clear. If you don't have the basic knowledge of the markets of choice, we don't hold your hand with that. But we will give you resources for self-learning on that. You need to have knowledge of your trading platform. I don't know if you're trading Forex. I don't know if you're trading only stocks, but you need to understand and know Robinhood inside and out. You need to understand the Fidelity trader inside and out, Webull and things of that nature. And there are tons of videos on YouTube on all these things. So you have to have a knowledge of your trading platform, VPS if you're trading Forex, EAs, which is expert advisors, and also copier knowledge, depending on, again, how you choose to diversify your account. Now, this is the most important thing right here, guys. Knowledge of money management and trade planning. We're going to give you not suggestions, but ideas that we're coming up with and how we're trading, but you've got to manage your own accounts. You have to know when to scale up. You've got to know when to pull back. We'll try to be as forthcoming and transparent as we possibly can, but remember, we're not giving advice. We're only trading and giving you our real money results. Last but not least, positive business attitude. Your results are your own. You can't blame anyone else for your results, whether they're good, bad, or ugly. Again, I want to emphasize, no hand holding. Bottom line, guys, we co-opt the cost of sourcing, testing, and negotiating services and systems that work. As a group, we all benefit from hundreds of dollars worth of services for a fraction of the cost. If you guys want an update on what's going on, you can always go to realmoneyinvestors.com. You can, and you'll understand, you can download our fantasy spreadsheets, our business plans, and also we have a report on exactly what we do and how we do it. And I think I wrote this a couple of years ago on how to turn $2,000 into a $100,000 income, and we call that the OPKey business plan. OPKey simply means other people's knowledge, expertise, and effort as a business owner. All right, guys, go out there and make some real money.